Is this hands-free carpet steam cleaner worth the money? Hey everyone, I'm Coral and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, click that subscribe button down below and hit the bell for new videos every week. I've had this Bissell SpotBot Pet for about 2 years now. It was a housewarming present from my mom whenever we moved into this house. I have used it countless times since she gave it to us, and today I'm going to share my review of this carpet cleaner along with a demo, how to use it, and if I think it's worth the money. To start off with, let's talk about the features. You have two ways that you can use this carpet cleaner. You can either use it hands-free or with the built-in hose. Hands-free is good for carpets, rugs, or any other flat upholstered surfaces in your home. And there are two ways that you can use the hands-free feature. First is the surface stain or quick clean. This function runs for about 3 minutes and is good for a new or fresh stain on your carpet. The next hands-free function is set-in stain or deep clean. This one runs for about 6 minutes and is good for stains that have set in or been sitting in your carpet for a long time, or you don't know how long they've been there. That's happened to me before. Both of these hands-free options are great. I've used both of them multiple times in my home. You just set it on the stain and walk away until it's done. The last way that you can use this machine is with the built-in hose. So this would be a manual clean, not hands-free. This is good for upholstered furniture like your couch or some chairs, stairs, or even in the car. I do like that this feature allows you to control the amount of water that is put into the upholstery, and then you can manually scrub it before you suck it up with the suction head. Next, let's talk about how to use this carpet cleaner. So in order to get started using this machine, the first thing that you need to do is fill the water tank with water. Bissell recommends using hot water, so I let my sink run for a few minutes until the water gets nice and hot, and then fill the water up to the water line on the water tank. Next, you're going to add in your soap or your detergent. Now on the water tank, it does show you the amount of soap to add in to the tank. But I will say that you don't have to add that much. In my experience, adding this much soap can cause some problems. I like to add less than the amount that's shown on the water tank for a couple of different reasons. Number one, if you put too much soap in your carpet or your upholstery, it's going to attract dirt. That's what soap does. It is made to attract and grab dirt. So if you put too much soap in your carpet, it's going to attract more dirt down the road. Second of all, it's going to save you money if you use less soap in the long run. And third of all, if you use a lot of soap, you can get a clean spot in your carpet. This has happened to me on my light colored dining room carpet. I had a stubborn stain that was giving me a lot of trouble coming off. So I decided to try adding more soap, and it did leave a round clean spot on the carpet that is more clean than the rest of the carpet. So if you've got light colored carpets, go with less soap and it'll save you that hassle. Next, you're going to screw on the cap to the water tank and then place it into the machine upside down, and then make sure that the collection or dirty water tank is placed in with the lid secure. Now before you start using the machine to clean up the mess, you want to make sure that the area is clear of any solid debris. So you might need to vacuum the area or sweep it up to make sure that there is no solid debris laying on your carpet or whatever upholstery you're going to clean, because that is going to cause issues with cleaning the carpet. If you're using the hands-free feature of the machine, then you're going to place the round part with the bristles on top of the stain. Keep in mind that if your stain is bigger, you might have to move around the machine a couple of times to completely cover the whole area of the stain and get it all up. And then you can choose the option of surface stain or set-in stain and walk away. While you walk away, the machine will take care of the cleaning for you and then beep whenever it's done. If you are using the built-in hose feature of the machine, place the machine by whatever area you need to be clean, put the suction head on the hose, and then you can press hose. and start cleaning. The trigger will release the soap and water for you, and then you can use the bristles to manually brush and scrub, and the suction head will suck up the water. Now I will say, if you're using this feature, don't feel like you need to hold down the trigger and release the soap and water the whole entire time. I've found that just a couple of sprays will usually get the job done, and that way you're not having to completely soak and saturate whatever area that you're cleaning. The thing that I love most about this carpet cleaner is that it makes cleaning super easy. The hands-free feature is literally that. You just set it on the stain, press the button, and walk away, and you can forget it, and the machine will do the rest for you. When you walk back in the room and hear the beeping, that's when you know that you either need to move it or check on the stain to see that it's gone. We have 2 cats and a dog in our house, and I have used this machine countless times to clean up throw up, accidents, spills, all throughout our whole house. I've used it on our carpet, on our area rugs, on our couch, on our dining room furniture, and every time I use it, I am so thankful for it. And to top it off, it really does eliminate stains. Like I said, I have used this throughout our whole entire house, and it really does get stains out. There's been times when I found a mess that an animal has left, maybe on the other side of our dining room table, that I didn't see right away, and this carpet cleaner always gets it up. There has literally only been one instance of a tough stain that I couldn't really identify what it was, where this carpet cleaner wouldn't get it up. Every single other time I have used this machine, it has completely eliminated the stains on the carpet. Overall, I feel like this carpet cleaner is totally worth the money. I couldn't imagine not having it. It makes cleaning the carpet super easy and has saved our carpet and furniture from countless stains. If you want more reviews of other must-have products I use in my home, click right here for my review playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.